Tesla's self-driving ambitions are taking a bold leap forward, but there's a catch that could impact millions of vehicles. Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we've got a packed episode covering Tesla's challenges in Germany, groundbreaking self-driving plans, financial updates, and much more. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla's presence in Germany has taken a significant hit. New vehicle registrations in the country dropped by a staggering 41% in 2024, falling to under 38,000 units. This decline has pushed Tesla down to third place in the German EV market, with a market share of just 10%. The overall EV market in Germany also shrank, with registrations dropping 27%, largely due to the end of e-car purchase incentives in late 2023. Meanwhile, competitors like BMW and Volkswagen have surged ahead. BMW registered over 40,000 EVs, claiming more than 11% of the market, while Volkswagen leads with 62,000 registrations and a 16% market share. Tesla's struggles in Germany are compounded by Elon Musk's controversial political endorsements and ongoing challenges at the Berlin factory, including legal and environmental issues. Analysts suggest that Tesla's lack of recent innovation has allowed competitors to catch up, further eroding its position in this critical market. Elon Musk has unveiled ambitious plans for Tesla's self-driving ride-hailing service, set to launch in Austin, Texas, in June 2025. This service will rely on Tesla's own fleet of vehicles equipped with an unsupervised version of its full self-driving FSD software. Musk has described 2025 as potentially the most pivotal year in Tesla's history, with the rollout of this service being a key milestone. However, there are caveats. Owners won't be able to add their vehicles to the fleet until at least 2026, and safety remains a top concern. Tesla aims for its self-driving cars to exceed the safety levels of human drivers, but critics have questioned the company's metrics for these claims. The Cybercab prototype, unveiled in late 2024, hints at Tesla's vision for a driverless future, but the road ahead is far from smooth. In a surprising turn, Elon Musk has admitted that Tesla will need to replace its HW3 self-driving computers to achieve the promised full self-driving capabilities. This is a significant shift from Tesla's earlier claims that all vehicles produced since 2016 were FSD capable. The newer HW4 computers offer much greater capabilities, but they aren't compatible with HW3 vehicles, meaning Tesla will need to design a new retrofit solution. This affects millions of vehicles and raises questions about Tesla's previous marketing promises. While the replacements will be free for owners with the FSD package, this development could lead to legal challenges and logistical hurdles. It's a bold move, but one that underscores Tesla's commitment to advancing its self-driving technology. Tesla's Q4 2024 financial results were a mixed bag. The company reported $25.7 billion in revenue, a 2% year-over-year increase, but fell short of analysts' expectations. Earnings per share came in at 73 cents, missing the anticipated 76 cents. Automotive revenue dropped 8% year-over-year, and net income plummeted 71% compared to the same quarter in 2023. Despite these setbacks, Tesla's energy business was a bright spot, with revenue surging 113% to $3.06 billion. The company also achieved record vehicle deliveries and made significant strides in reducing production costs. Looking ahead, Tesla is optimistic about a return to growth in 2025, driven by advancements in autonomous driving and the introduction of more affordable models. Tesla's Bitcoin holdings provided a surprising boost to its financials in Q4 2024. Thanks to new accounting rules, the company reported a $600 million gain from its cryptocurrency investments, bringing the total value of its Bitcoin stash to over $1 billion. This marks a significant turnaround from previous quarters, where Tesla could only record losses when Bitcoin's value dropped. While this gain helped offset some of the company's financial challenges, it wasn't enough to meet Wall Street's expectations. Tesla's stock initially dipped following the earnings report, but later rebounded in after-hours trading. Tesla's energy business continues to shine, achieving record deployments of its Powerwall and Megapack products. The completion of the mega factory in Shanghai is set to further boost production in 2025. With operating cash flow reaching $14.9 billion in 2024, Tesla is well positioned to expand its energy offerings. The company is also preparing for the launch of its robotaxi product, the Cybercab, with volume production expected to begin in 2026. Tesla's focus on affordability and innovation remains central to its strategy, as it aims to solidify its position in both the automotive and energy markets. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. From challenges in Germany to ambitious self-driving plans and financial updates, Tesla continues to be a company that sparks both excitement and debate. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.